we have been learning about comparing numbers. So that just means looking at two numbers and saying, is the first number greater than? Is it bigger than the second number? Is it less than, meaning smaller than the second number? Or is it equal to? And we've gone over what equal to is. Now, I have my hundreds chart out just to help me out, but we also have another strategy that we can use as well. So you can have both out to help you out, to help us figure out if the numbers are greater than, equal to, or less than. So let's look at 25 and 26. Now, I'm going to show both strategies. I'm going to find 25 on my hundreds chart, which is right here. And then my next number is 56. Okay, I go all the way down here as 56. Now, I'm looking at 25. Now, this is further up my chart, which means that it's smaller. And I went all the way down here. So that when I go further down, that means that it's bigger. It's a bigger number because I can also do this. And this is one of my other strategies. I'm going to look at 25, and then I'm going to look at 56. I'm going to look at the underlying digit of each one, which just means the underlying number. Is 2 smaller than 5? And you would say, yes, 2, it's 1, 2, that's smaller than 5. If I had 2 cookies, I would not be as happy if I had 5 cookies. So you can also look at the tens column, looking at our tens and our ones, to look at and see determine if something is greater than, less than, or equal to. So 2 strategies. All right, so we know, and I'm going to circle that it is less than because 2 is less than 5, but also I know that 5 is further down, 56. If I had 56 Skittles and somebody else had 25, I would definitely want the 56. Now let's go on to our next problem. Ms. Sparks is getting so much better at this. Okay, so we have 58 now, and then 31. I'm getting the different colors because that other one was hard to see. So we have 58. Now I find my 50, and then I go to my 8. Okay, so 58, that's where we're starting. Now we go up to 31. Okay, so I look here. Here's my 31. Oh, I see that I had to go up my chart, which means that it's smaller. My numbers get smaller when I look up. Now, so you're thinking to yourself, this is probably greater than. But let's look at our numbers underneath each other. So we have 58 and then 31. Okay, so let's look at this digit right here, the 5 and then the 3. Now, is 5 bigger than 3? Yes. Is 5 smaller than 3? No, it's not. So it's bigger. So we also know that this one, our 58, is further down in our hundreds chart. So we know that 58 is greater than, it is bigger than 31. One more problem, but I have to redo this. So we are going to look at, I should have kept that there. Our next one is, and I want you to think about this, 42 and 42. So we have greater than, and then we have less than, and then we have equal to. So looking at these, so 42, so if I had to look on my hundreds chart, I would fill in 42, and you're like, Ms. Sparks, I don't even need to do this because I already know what the answer is. Now, my next number, 42, I would fill in the same answer. Let's compare them underneath. 42 and 42. Okay, I have a 4 and a 4. Okay, they're the same. Let's go to our ones. 2 and 2. They are the same number. And we know that when both numbers are the same on both sides, then it is equal to. So equal to. Now you're going to head to your Jamboard and you're going to see something similar to this, and you're going to have to determine if the two numbers, if it's the first number is greater than, less than, or equal to the second number. So go ahead. Actually, no. Sorry, Ms. Sparks changed it up. You are going to click and drag greater than, less than, and equal to, and you had those 3 numbers. They're going to be, or 3 things at the bottom of your Jamboard, and you have to click and drag each one to the correct number set. So the one that is equal to, you're going to drag equal to up to. The one that is greater than, click and drag that up, and then less than. So Nice job. Cannot wait to see us comparing numbers.